Check one time for your mind. I started from the ground floor, now I live upstairs. You need to step up to understand what's going on upstairs. There is no hope down here, so I only give upstairs. If you see it and feel it, then you don't need a prophet. I've been obsessed with making it out. Fuck poverty, I'm upset, I'm saying it out. If you haven't lost it all, start afresh, then remake it. Then you won't fully appreciate those that really made it. Had to cut this one across, so I switched up my lingua. I give boza keledio chimane kelende na mingwa. Live a life of gratitude, na oboganyi wendo. If it happen like a camera flash, it go end there. It no easy for a guy man to the package. For country where their senior citizens still they manage. If not for Arizona, I for don't blow. But to hustle make I blow here, or luck I don't show. So I don't trust no one but my instincts tells me what to do, and I listen cause it never failed me. Don't listen to the words, watch out for the body language. If the energy is not right, offline to avoid damage. My mind is conscious, so I know to like jewelries. I'm afraid of chains cause they bring bad memories back. This rap is for the future, for those that did a tutor. The things they didn't teach us, mistakes that didn't kill us, the pains and the hiccups, for those that lost hope. Ogos on Adegema and those that kept hope. Nobody on Adegema, you gotta let my people go. And guy with them paramosis, or get taking her surprise, got tenant and then you get notice. Now let that marinate. Let that marinate. I feel like Malcolm X with the mentality. I still they show my exes love like a gratuity. Spread love, my people. Spread love like the way Jehovah Witness is knocking on your doors. Like in the family when the father providing and when the mother is caring and when the children are loving. The picture beautiful, so draw yourself closer to the magic moment you create yourself. Don't stay at a place, bro. Triangles, opportunity comes three ways. Triangles, keep trying. Try angles. One time for your mind. Without win. Conscious mind.